Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. I know it's been long, but I had to make this video because of my family. Today I'm gonna be unboxing this clarins gear PR package. I hope that you guys would enjoy this. This is my second PR package and I've never unboxed before, so yeah, let's get into it. So as you can see here, I'm trying by all means. I had to make this video because my family is making way too much noise. I am home, by the way, so yeah, the joys of being home comes with a lot of noise. Don't mind me being ghetto. I use a knife to unbox like all the time. Just to remind you, if you haven't subscribed yet, just make sure that you hit the subscribe button and you become a part of this awesome family. So yeah, it comes with the Hydra Essential Serum, which helps your face to keep hydrated all the time, and it leaves its moisture and it does all the things that needs to be done with your face. So excited about it. Also comes with this clay mask with alpine willow herb extract. Also looking forward to it because wow, the best part also about this package is that it comes with a cosmetic bag. Funny enough, I don't have like a nice cosmetic bag. My niece was teasing me about it because she bought me one last week because she was saying, "Oh, my cosmetic bags are ghetto." But anyway, we move. Inside here we have some gifts as well. There is this young Smolanyana mascara, which I'm excited to try, and also it comes with eye makeup remover. There is also some lip oil comfort. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. Bye. And